morning and welcome back to another video. There's Letty in Asakusa, Tokyo. Yeah, I don't know what we have. It's more of a chill day today, right? We're just chilling around where our hotel is. Maybe we'll go see the temple again. Probably gonna eat some ramen. That's a given, yes. And maybe an animal cafe.
That'd be cool.
Maybe. So, all right, come with us.
Okay, yeah.
So we should find a spot. Really want to do. I want our videos to inspire everyone to not be scared, to just take the leap, to just go, to just do it. Because I mean, we're not getting younger. There's so much world out there to see, guys. There's so much world. I love the free water. It smells really good. Nice. Wow, that was really good.
Yeah.
Every time we have ramen, it's just really good.
So that's where we ate.
Yep. That was really nice too. I would say my official ranking. The first day we got here, was This is better than the first day, but the second day ramen,
was the best.
It was, but this was really good.
Yeah.
That's what you want to get? Oh, that's really nice. All right, after that meal, we are heading to Ueno Park. I'm probably saying that wrong, but yeah, it's a park near where we're staying. So yeah, it should be really nice. I saw pictures and it looks really beautiful. So, all right, let's head there. Prosperity and harmony. Oh, and happiness and marriage. Yeah, so you come here for I guess luck with your job and your marriage.
We're at the right place.
Yeah, and then you come here and then, you know.
That's pretty cool.
It is cool. Lots of stuff. Maybe these people's names.
Yeah, it looks like
Yamuchi.
it. Yeah.
It's probably people's names.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
It goes way.
That's beautiful.
Alright, we are here.
We just got here, yep. We're gonna go get some water out of the vending machine and check the park out. Oh, this looks awesome. You know what I love about this trip? Every day, we don't have anything planned, and there's always something that we find to do. It's amazing.
What do we find today?
The zoo. I think we're gonna go into the zoo. Yeah, it looks nice. 8 times for giant pandas. This fails, and it's like Jurassic Park. Not good.
He's like, you like this zoo?
It's okay. I think like some of the enclosures are too small.
Yeah.
But it is nice, like the penguins were cool.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
This area is cool.
This area is really cool.
Oh, apparently you can go in there.
Yeah, I think it's part of the zoo.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they have those. What is that?
Oh yeah. Lemur? Yeah, lemur.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that is cool actually. What do you think lives in here not from the zoo?
A lot of things.
Yeah. I wonder why they have life-saving devices here. You're gonna fall in?
Maybe someone. Yeah.
Maybe it happened.
Something I would do.
Yeah. That's true. Those are sick. Look at this fish. Interesting. Kind of pretty. This is a iguana. That's massive.
Your favorite.
That's my worst nightmare.
Snakes.
Yeah, it's a massive snake. His head's just really big.
It's the biggest I've ever seen.
Really? It's huge. Cool. I don't know if it's an alligator or a crocodile. I think it's an alligator. Okay, it's totally with that. Oh, this is cool.
No.
Yeah, it could be fun. He is scary, huh? Oh, those are cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yo, look at the size of that thing.
Wow. Whoa. Oh man, that's scary. Wow. Look at the scratches on the Whoa. That's technically the crocodile we have at home.
Okay. Whoa. Even up there.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
That's scary.
Yeah.
Alright. It's like Ed, hungry. Wow.
It's so cute.
Yeah. I'm gonna take it. Alright, so we are all done with the zoo. It was okay. I think some of the cages needed to be a little bit bigger. But like the reptiles and the penguins were cool.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I didn't like it.
Yeah, just because I think that they need to fix the enclosures. They're very small.
Oh look, there's fishes down here.
Oh, wow. Sorry, we don't have anything.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah. That's up to you. We should go out. Let's do it. We'll regret not doing it. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. You scared?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Leave a thumbs up down below if you want to see us do it. I mean, we're gonna do it, but just leave a thumbs up.
If you're watching this, we survived.
Yes. We'll be alright. Okay. And then I just bring it here? Okay. Here we are on the pedal boat. That's what it's called, pedal boat.
I'm sure they will move away.
You think?
Yeah.
This is cool.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Look at that. That's awesome. How do we park it?
Oh, we can stay.
Okay. But you know how many 30 minutes is?
6:41. I mean 4:41. 4:47.
This is cool. What do you think, sweetie?
It's cool.
Yeah. Whee! Look at that. We're pedaling. I've never done one of these, I don't think. That's cool. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. What did you think about that? That was cool. That was a good experience. Now we're gonna go probably take the train back to near our house, and I think we're gonna get more food, right? Nice.
We're definitely getting it. The workout of the day here.
Oh yeah.
Apparently this is like a Japanese grape.
Okay. Oh, see how it is.
Just regular grapes.
Oh, okay. Nice. All right, so we're actually we've seen this a few nights ago. We're gonna play this one to get a Stitch. Which one are you hoping for?
This one or this one?
Ooh, those are really cute. Okay, let's see which one we get. Nice. You have the best luck. Wow. They're really not easy to open. Look at it, it's Stitch drinking coffee.
There's a door.
That's really cute. Very nice. Cool, man. You happy about that?
Yeah.
Cool. Right. They never fill the soft drink.
Yeah.
We've noticed that.
Right.
I guess I'm getting chopsticks. Do you want a fork? Yeah, it does look good. So I think it's like egg with chicken with rice. So I'm gonna try to get everything in this one bite here. We got some egg, we got some chicken. Really good. Yeah, really nice.
And mine is good too.
Would you get the grilled one, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're all done at the mall. We're gonna go to Lawson's for a dessert, and then we're gonna go back to the room. It's checkout day tomorrow for our place here in Sumida City. It's a little sad. We're going to another place that we had to book last minute. Not as nice. But yeah, all right, we'll see you there.